Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. Today is going to be my February Simply Earth unboxing. Simply Earth is an essential oil recipe box. I've been getting these for the past few months and they're really fun. What it is, it's a subscription box. I want to say it retails, it's for $39.95 I believe, and they send you different essential oils and they send you little recipe cards and the stuff that you need to make the different items, and they're just really fun. If you like essential oils, you would definitely like this. I do have a code down in the description box. If you just click on the link and then use my code, you will get a $40 gift card for your next purchase, I believe. And it's just fun. It's something fun. You don't have to order every month. You can just order whatever boxes you want. So this is the February box. And also, you guys, we adopted a new kitty. So I'm going to talk about this a little bit in this video just because it's only day 3 of having her. She is so sweet. So if you guys have been following me, you know we've got a little orange kitty named Tater Tot, and he is so sweet, and I knew that he needed a friend. About 3 weeks ago, I had to put my older kitty down, and it's just been awful. And you can tell Tater Tot is really really So we adopted a little kitty. She's a tortoiseshell color, like she's mostly black. I will try to grab her, but she's super skittish and scared. She's had a rough life so far. She was adopted by a family and they ended up bringing her back after a week. So I don't know, we went to a little adoption thing on Saturday and I just fell in love with her. Originally I wanted a boy just because, I don't know, I just think boy kitties are so sweet and girls tend to have a little bit of an attitude. And apparently this tortoise type of cat is known for their attitude, so I'm like, how ironic that we got a girl with an attitude. I never would have imagined. And she does not like to be held yet. She's very cuddly and lovey, like when I can actually get to her and hold her, and well, not when I hold her, when I like pet her and everything, she purrs. So I will try to get her over here to say hi to you guys. She's over there with Tater Tot right now. But yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys about her. Come here, Kaylee Bear. Here she is. She is just so precious, aren't you? You are so sweet. So she's so cute and she's cuddly when you can finally get her. And I think she's gonna start warming up to me, but she's very skittish. She had a very rough life so far. They said she's 5 months, but she's really little for 5 months. So I don't know. We're very happy to have her in our home, and I just hope she is happy too. So all right, let's get into this subscription box. So when you open it up, there are the stickers. These come in every box. They're just little stickers. You use these stickers when you make your little recipes. So you can just cut them out and put them on whatever it is that you made. This is like one of my favorite parts of this whole subscription box. I think it's so cute that you just, I don't know, stickers are cute. And then it comes with these recipe cards here, and we will go through these and see what we're gonna make. We're gonna make a couple different things today. So first thing I'm seeing in here, this is rose hydrosol, 100% pure organic rose hydrosol. It's a natural byproduct in the creation of rose essential oil. Carries the same benefits as the oil, but in a much greater form, or gentler form. Use it to replace water in DIY cosmetic recipes or by itself as a toner. The next thing in here, this is French green clay. Uses, cleanses and detoxifies the skin. I think we're gonna be making some sort of mask or something with this, which is very exciting because I love that type of stuff. Okay, so the first oil I'm seeing right here is called Veins. I don't think I've ever heard of that. It's got cypress, juniper berry, and lemon essential oils in it. That is what this one looks like. Kind of reminds me of something. Just smells fresh. Definitely just smells like essential oils. So fir needle, let's see. Oh yeah, whew. Definitely smells like a pine tree. And that is what this one looks like. This one I'm seeing, oh, this is frankincense. So this one's a very popular one. It has a very odd scent to it. Spicy and woody, yes, definitely. So frankincense is supposed to be like a really, it's very pricey. I do know that much. I don't know how much this one retails for, but I know like other brands I've seen, they're like close to $100 for a little bottle of this. It's supposed to be like a really kind of like, I don't want to say sacred oil. It's supposed to be, I mean, I want to say Jesus used this oil. Like I'm pretty sure it's in the Bible. They talk about it in the Bible. I'm curious to see what we make with that one as well. And then we have this little itty bitty baby one here, and this is coffee essential oil. I've never even heard of such a thing. It legit smells like coffee. Like, oh my gosh, it smells like Starbucks right here. That is so bizarre. I've never seen that before. And that is that little guy right there. So for the recipes, there's an espresso diffuser blend. You mix the coffee with the frankincense oil, a Veins sugar scrub. You're gonna need sugar, coconut oil, a sealable container, and then the Veins dropping, or the Veins essential oil, a clay and rose face mask. That one might be cool. Might want to try that one. I love face masks. A rose hydrosol bath. You're going to use the rose stuff, Epsom salt, a skin healing body butter. Oh yeah, this is the one I really wanted to try. It calls for coconut oil, fractionated coconut oil, the Vein essential oils, French clay, green clay, and then a container. And then an alert roll-on. This has the Veins, the fir needle, and the coffee. Maybe we'll make that one. Maybe we'll make these two. So also I will say, because it calls for a couple items in here that aren't in the box. So when you get your very first box, they're going to send you a bonus box, or yeah, a bonus box as well. And that's going to come with all your essential stuff, like your coconut oil, your different carrier oils that you're going to need, your empty little bottles that you're going to need to make everything. So you'll get that with your very first box. So if you guys have any other questions, let me know, or like I said, I will link the website down below for you guys to check out. So all right, let's make this alert roll-on real quick. This is the one we're gonna do first. We're gonna do this alert roll-on here, and I went and got this cute little roller ball, and you just pop the little roller off like that. All right, so this one calls for 2 drops of the Veins blend, 2 drops of the fir needle essential oil, and 2 drops of the coffee one right here. I was having some problems with it. I'm wondering if it's a little bit thicker of a blend because it kept getting stuck. Yeah, it is not gonna come out. Because usually oils just come right out, and this one is not. So, well, my hand smells like coffee. Put a little bit in there. I think what I might do is go in the kitchen and take the lid off and just pour a little bit in there. Okay, so now 2 drops of the Veins. See how that one came out? Like that's how the oils should come out. That's why I'm thinking that coffee one is really thick. 2 drops of the fir needle. Yeah, those come out fast. And then fill the rest of the way with the fractionated coconut oil. So I am going to go, I'm gonna add a little bit more of the coffee, although you can kind of really smell the coffee. There's Tater Tot, you guys can. There's Tate. All right, you guys watch Tater, I'll be right back. We took my seat. Come on, babies. Come on, babies. Say hello. Say hello. Just put the little roller ball back in there. Be careful because it's a little bit slippery. And then you just kind of swirl it around. And then you just kind of rub it on your skin. Ooh, that smells good. Could definitely smell the fir needle. Ooh, that smells really good. It's just like fresh. All right, now we are going to take the stickers. Where are the stickers? So here's the little sticker for the alert. We are going to cut that out and just put that right on the little container. That is so cute. And there you have it. Got your own little roller ball. I like it. It smells good. We are going to make the skin healing body butter. So this calls for some heating up. So we are going to do this in the kitchen. All right, let's go do this. So the first thing you're going to need to do is get out half a cup of the coconut oil, and it was very, very hard, so it was kind of hard to get out. And once you get that, you're going to want to melt it in a double boiler. So the way I do it is I just take my small little pot, and then I put a little Pyrex on top that fits in there perfectly, and I just turn the water. The water might be a little too hot, but it melts it up great. And then once you're finished melting that, you are going to add 2 tablespoons of the fractionated coconut oil, and then you are going to add 50 drops of the vein essential oils, and they want you to stir it for 30 seconds. And then you are going to add 1 teaspoon of the French green clay. And then once you do that, you're going to whisk it a little bit, and then you're going to allow the mixture to cool for about 30 minutes, and it's going to become a semi-solid. And then I just threw it in my KitchenAid for 3 to 5 minutes and just mixed it up until it got to a good consistency. They want it to be pale and creamy. I probably could have mixed it a little bit longer, but I thought that the consistency was okay. And then I just added it into my little container, and then I'm going to put a little sticker on it, and that is it for this one. Alright guys, that does it for my February Simply Earth unboxing. I really like that lotion. It smells good and it just feels good. This would be a good one to put on at night before you go to bed, maybe on your hands and your feet. I really like it. And I'm gonna insert some pictures of our new little pretty baby Kaylee. I don't think I mentioned her name earlier, but yeah, we named her Kaylee. My 4-year-old actually named her. So I will insert some pictures for you guys, and we will see you all next time. Bye.